Netflix is testing the play something button on mobile now, starting with Android. Android getting the feature first. Shout out Android users. This is a feature that first showed up on TVs. And we talked about it when that happened. And this is sort of like, well, it feels like a random button, but it's kind of like changing the channel. You don't know what you're going to get. Eventually, it learns what you like and don't like, or it already has some sort of indication. And like all your favorite algorithms, it's going to aim to provide you with everything you need for your entertainment needs when you're done watching Lou later, of course. And anyway, so it makes sense. It's very easy to understand at the TV because you're laid back, you're on the couch, and maybe you're with other people, and you can all agree, you know what? Just hit the play something button. See what we get into. But now it's on mobile. It's a more personal version of it. You're just on your phone, and you're like, you know what? I don't know what to watch.
Yeah.
And you click the button, play something, and it starts playing right on your phone.
Have you tried this feature?
Absolutely not.
Okay. I'm just wondering, like, when you play something, is it going to be always going to be like an intro? Is it starting from the very beginning?
That is a fantastic question. One of the best questions you've ever brought to the table in the history of the show.
Because if it's just starting like credits, you know, like the beginning of the movie all the time, I don't know.
Actually think that there's going to be a tendency towards suggesting content which you have possibly interacted with, but maybe not finished.
Sure.
Or that you liked the previous season of, or something like this.
I guess I was in the mindset of like channel surfing, but this is not really how it's used, right? You're kind of just picking one.
Well, I mean, the problem is it's going to be a spoiler right away. You can't really, I mean.
Or like choose some, yeah, I guess. Choosing the most exciting moment and just playing that.
What are you going to do? Then rewind it at that point? It's going to be a spoiler right away. We can't have that.
Yeah.
So, but it is cool to see it come to Android. I'm curious how people will use it, if people use it. I mean, you can say in the chat right now if this is something that you yourself utilize on a regular basis on the TV, or if you would like to have it on your... There's only a certain circumstance I could see myself using it on mobile is if I was traveling.
Sure.
If I was traveling and I didn't really...
feel adventurous.
And I got time on my hands. You know, like I'm either going to be sitting on a plane or... I guess it wouldn't work on a plane because you had to have the offline downloads. Oh, no, you would have the Wi-Fi on a plane. But anyway, maybe you're in a bus, on a subway. You're traveling, commuting possibly even. And then I would say, you know what? I don't know what I want to watch today on this trip. Let me try something I have no idea and click that button. But if I'm pressed for time or if it's an evening event and I got the family involved, I just can't imagine slamming that button.
Right.
But I don't know. Maybe you'll give it a shot for us, Will.
Yeah.
Let us know how it goes.